What's good, people? If you ever go back to my videos, you'll notice in the unboxing of my machine, I told you that I wasn't the first person to buy a machine. My homie Scholar introduced me to the whole Native Instruments uh, company and the machine specifically. He got the bigger one. He got the machine studio. And I actually made a video of his unboxing, the homie Scholar. So, and I found it. So, without further ado, I'm gonna pull up the old video. It was recorded on November 12th, 2015, and check that out. Well, shout out to Scholar, first of all, man. Thank you, homie, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have had this, and I wouldn't have been banging out these beats, man. So, thank you for putting me on to this dope device, this dope machine, man. It's just perfect name. Cause man, my life hasn't been the same since musically. So good looking now, homie. Check out the video. Yo, what's good, man? My name is Zal. Got your man.
Scholar.
Mm-hmm. We just here today, man. We about to do a unboxing edition.
Yeah,
Not my unboxing though. This man right here.
yeah, man, you know. Machine Studio 2.0 edition. Black joint.
Mm-hmm.
Man, just copped this joint too. The fucking on stage mix 400 joint. Man,
Mm-hmm.
should be good, man.
Yeah.
This is my bad bitch.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, but we about to show you something real quick. Without further ado, we about to open up this machine studio.
Yeah, man.
Let's get it.
Keep that. Yeah. Machine Studio, baby.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, look at that.
Beautiful. Crazy, man.
That's nice.
A lot of great music gonna be made from that joint right here.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
This shit cracking, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Yo,
Get a closer look. This joint costs a lot of bread too, man.
a lot of bread, man. A lot of bread.
Mm-hmm.
But it lets you know how motherfucking serious niggas is. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Without further ado,
Yeah,
we gonna do the unboxing. You said on the table? Chair. It goes right up.
Wow.
Hi.
All the new Machine Studio 2.0 software. Motherfuckers is for real about their product.
Oh yeah. Good quality, man. Good quality. There we go. So check this out. Here we go. Without further ado. Mm-hmm.
That shit fall out.
Yeah. Feel me? Like, oh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like that. That makes sense. Yeah. There you go.
Voila.
Ah.
Whoa.
Wow.
Voila.
Mm. I don't know if you want to do the details, do the honors.
Yeah, man, got the plug, you know, power cord. And here, you know, I've seen so many other unboxings of this one product that I know. You know what I'm saying? Well, which each box holds. You know what I'm saying? Got the power cord, and it comes with all types of different, you know, power outlets, depending on where in the world you live. You know, So I think this is the one. Matter of fact, this is the one we do. This is
Wow.
I don't know. We'll figure the rest of that. We'll figure that shit out.
Yes.
Got the USB joint right there. USB 2.0. Oh man. What else we got, man?
Oh, looks like we gotta take out the baby.
The piece de resistance, you know what I'm saying? Machine studio.
Yeah.
Hey, this shit right here.
Mm-hmm.
This shit right here. Shit.
Yeah, man.
And the booklet, of course.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a couple stickers or whatever. And this, you know, the safety, you know what I'm saying? That you know how you gotta take care of your shit, you know what I'm saying? But any normal nigga gonna know. Take care of your shit, don't just leave it anywhere and let that shit get fucked up. You're gonna pay a lot of money for you gonna make sure you take care of that shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
What we're gonna do is I'm gonna cover up my numbers
Oh
and
man,
shit.
yeah. You know when people to pirate that joint.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna cover that up. Got the CD.
Installation.
Got the CD in there, CD installation joint.
Mm-hmm.
So we gonna get to that in a minute.
Hmm.
But yeah, man, a lot of great music is gonna be made here. Like I said, got my man Zal, my man Ace is not here right now, but
Yeah.
you know, shout out to him. Yeah, man, Lyrical Jewels,
Oh yeah.
Ear Candy Music,
That's it.
Inner Circle Studios. Yeah, man, Inner Circle Productions, Seventh Establishment Records. Man, no words. Only word I got is watch out, man, because niggas is coming.
Mm-hmm.
We coming.
Mm-hmm.
With that said, we signing out. Anything you gotta say, Zell?
Well, I'm just happy for my man Scholar, man. He waited a long time for this piece right here. All he been thinking about, all he been talking about, just plotting, knowing that what he gonna produce from this thing, man. We a team, So what he benefits off, what I benefit, we come together, man. There's no I in team. We work together, man, and that we've been working together for a long time since like '06, right? 05, 06, almost 10 years.
20 years old when I started fucking with this nigga. You know what I'm saying? I had always heard about him, but I had never met him because we kind of ran in the same circles.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We knew a lot of the same people. We just never clicked up. You know what I'm saying? So one day, the day I met him, it was kind of like, what's funny shit is the first day I met the nigga, I wrote a song with him.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? And when you got that kind of connection offhand,
yeah,
yeah,
man.
All it takes is time to help even grow that shit even more.
Yeah, yeah. Song after song, man. We always grew that connection, man. Music will do it, man. Music is such a powerful thing, man. And at this point, it's beyond music now. It's like we brothers. You know what I'm saying? And this is what we do, man. This music is so passionate that we have no choice but to keep going, no choice but to continue. We've been doing it for so long, it's only a matter of time before it pop off.
Yeah, why stop now,
Why stop now? And this new edition of the machine, oh man, it's over now. It's over now. It's a wrap.
Like I said, we about to hook this shit up. You know what I'm saying? All that good shit. Bang some shit out,
Yeah.
Sign off, man.
Do it, man.
She man Scholar, my man Giselle. We out, man.
All right. One.
TV's process.
We're just trying to get this thing installed.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? We getting there though.
Shit kind of fucked up, so I had to Do it again, man.
Yeah, you're just trying to install the software, the driver, and the applications that come with it. Yeah.